Hi, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to fix ad location option not showing on TikTok, right? Why would you want to fix this ad location option not showing on your TikTok? Well, maybe you are not able to do it and that's why. So today I will show you how to fix ad location option not showing on TikTok easily. By the way guys, check the video description and I will try to leave the written instruction there. So the very first thing we have to do, we have to just open the setting of our phone. Just go to the settings, scroll a little bit down, and here you have to select app. In your phone it can be somewhere else on the app management, so here you have to wait for a few seconds, and after that you have to find the TikTok. So I have this search option, so I can search it over here and just click on the TikTok. The first thing you have to do, you have to force stop. I will not do it in my case. And here then you have to go to the storage usage. You have to clear the cache, then you have to clear the data. After clearing the data, this will definitely fix a problem, and after that you have to just go to the permission and you have to give all the permission regarding the location. So on the location, just tick this one, allow only while using the app, right? And this is it. So there you go guys. If you want to know how to fix ad location option not showing on TikTok, this is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way how to fix ad location option not showing on TikTok, leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.